How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats in Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that to recover your encrypted chats on Messenger, you must already have set up secure storage or backups before losing access. So the key is, before switching devices or losing your phone, you must have turned on secure storage and set up a recovery method PIN code or account link. So if you have done this step, then go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and further make sure that you're logged in with same Facebook or Meta account that you used before. Further, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there. Further, tap on privacy and safety and then tap on the end-to-end encrypted chats. Here you will see the option for message storage to secure storage status. Tap on that and when prompted, choose the same recovery option you originally set up. That is, you can use your Apple or Google account, or you can use your PIN, or you can use the recovery code, that is the 40-character code, or you can also request for a one-time code if that's what you choose. Once selected, wait for a while and Messenger will decrypt and restore messages from secure storage. So, this is how you can recover end-to-end chats in Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.